Hello guys, this is Glowy Woodruff again, and today I'm going to show you how to change your regular photo into an amazing fall photo by of course just using free fall photo effects. So let's get started! On this tutorial, we are going to use Pizap photo editor. So just type Pizap on your search bar, P-I-Z-A-P. Pizap is a photo editor, a collage maker, and a design tool. To do our fall effects, click Edit Photo. Choose Classic Pizap. Then you have to select a photo. You can select a photo from your computer, from Facebook, Instagram, and you can search photos from Google, and you can take a photo from your webcam as well. After choosing a photo to edit, this screen will appear with your chosen photo on it. Then click the icon on the top that looks like a magic wand. This is a filter icon. After clicking the filter icon, choose the classic. It's on the right side of your screen. Under classic, you will find black and white, copper, vintage, sapphire, dusk, top hat, and so much more. But in order for us to make the fall effect, look for iridescent. As you can see, our picture looks so much like fall time already. If you are satisfied, you can click save or share. But if you want more, like to adjust color, to adjust the contrast, brightness, and saturation, click the basic edit icon on the top with the 3 lines and 3 dots on it. I wanted to make it more colorful, so I have to adjust the saturation on this picture. I am satisfied with the brightness and the contrast of this picture, so I just changed the saturation from 1 into 2 to give it more color. So that's it guys, very easy, right? So now you can click save or you can share it. You can share it directly to your Facebook, Twitter, to Pinterest, and so much more. Or you can choose to save it in your computer. Beautiful, right? We successfully changed our photo. So this is our before and after, guys, and the difference is so visible. Try it for yourself, guys, and send me your best one in the comment box below. Please don't forget to click like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.